The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, Triple Digit Divisor and Triple Digit Dividend. Example, 965 divided by 324, which gives a 3-digit remainder. Having practiced a number of problems dealing with double-digit divisors, let us take up 3-digit divisors. To begin with, let us take the 3-digit dividend and the 3-digit divisors and demonstrate through a variety of examples. Irrespective of the number of digits of the divisor, the quotient setting rule remains the same. That is, when the highest digit of the divisor is less than or equal to the highest digit of the dividend, we have to skip a column to the left of the dividend to set the quotient. In case it is larger than the highest digit of the dividend, then we have to set the quotient to the immediate left of the dividend. The rule regarding the assumed quotient also remains the same, and the only difference is that the multiplication at each stage increases when the number of digits of the divisor also increases. Let us take the example 965 divided by 324 and see how it is done. Let us set the dividend 965 in the extreme right of the abacus, that is 9 in the hundreds column, 6 in the tens column and 5 in the units column. Let us set the divisor 3, 2, 4 in the left extreme of the abacus, as 3, which is the highest digit of the divisor, is less than the highest digit of the dividend 9. The quotient should be set by skipping a column to the left of the dividend. That means the quotient should be set in the 10,000s column. Now take the highest digit of the dividend 9 and ask how many 3's in 9. By saying 3, reduce 1 from that and consider 2 as the assumed quotient. That should be set in the 10,000s column. That is, by skipping a column to the left of the dividend. In the first stage multiplication, 3 multiplications are involved, as the divisor has 3 digits. Let us multiply 2 with 3, which is 0, 6. That should be subtracted from the thousands column and the hundreds column. That is 0 subtracted from the thousands column and 6 from the hundreds column. At this stage, we are left with 365 in the dividend. In the next stage, we have to multiply 2 with 2, which is equal to 0, 4. That should be subtracted from the hundreds column and in the tens column. As we cannot subtract 4 in the tens column in the lower abacus, let us clear 5 in the upper abacus and add 1 in the lower abacus. Now we have to multiply 2 with 4, that is 0, 8. That is 0 subtracted in the tens column and 8 subtracted from the units column. As 8 cannot be subtracted from the units column, subtract 1 in the tens column and add 2 in the units column. Now we are left with 317 in the dividend, which is smaller than the divisor 324. Therefore, we have not committed any errors in procedures. The quotient is 2. As the divisor is a 3-digit number, we have to leave 3 columns in the right side of the abacus for the remainder. The column to the left of the remainder is a separating column, and the number Next to the separating column in the left is the quotient. Therefore, we get 2 as the quotient and 317 as the remainder.